Hey there, friend. Diving into the world of serverless computing and cloud technologies can get pretty thrilling, right? I'd love to take you on a little journey today, exploring how to implement durable functions in Microsoft Azure and how they could truly transform the way we build enterprise-grade applications. Grab a cup of coffee and let's chat. In the heart of cloud services, there's this gem called durable functions. They're like a secret weapon that lets you craft robust, stateful apps in a serverless environment. Imagine having the power to craft complex processes that feel as snug and as capable as a traditional server, right in the cloud without all the overhead. Now, durable functions are not one-size-fits-all. They're pretty specialized, offering that slick statefulness in a serverless setup by using function apps and orchestrating workflows with logical agents within Azure. These logical agents are basically the brains behind the action in durable functions, executing parts of the process when called to, keeping track of the state, and passing control when needed to different steps, like in choreographing an elaborate dance. Setting up durable functions is like building a bridge that connects isolated islands of Azure functions with a robust and state-aware backbone. You start by creating a durable task client with a primary function that spawns other tasks. Each task is kind of like a mini-agent that does its part and hands over control to the next with a call and reply message. It's like delegating parts of a project to trusted team members and only getting a report back when it's done. Durable functions are smart on various fronts. They can handle tasks that run to completion, even if there's a spooky service interruption in between. They can queue tasks for later or pause and resume, making workflows not only resilient but also pretty flexible. Plus, they let you pass data around in complex ways without sacrificing maintainability of your code. It's intriguing to consider how durable functions support async workflows elegantly, making sure that even if something sputters unexpectedly, you are not left in the dark. If a step fails, durable functions give you room to handle failures graciously, offering retries or branching to alternative paths if needed. It's like having a contingency plan ready in your back pocket. Let's get hands-on. Configuring durable functions in Azure Functions Studio is like setting up a command center for workflows. First, you create a trunk durable function app, which is this amazing hub for all activity. Imagine it like a central dispatching station spreading tasks and orchestrating the chorus of agents. Once your trunk app is all set up, it can beckon the branches, specialized durable function apps that handle different workflows, making each step an expert in what it does best. Did you start noticing how durable functions allow you to mix and match different Azure services? You can trigger Azure Event Hub functions, Azure Storage Queues, and even Azure Service Bus with a couple of straightforward invocations. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for cloud computing. The real power comes into play when you need different services to work together in a coordinated manner, and that's where the robust orchestration by durable functions shines. The true magic of durable functions unfolds when you need your processes to remember where they left off or have to pause for a minute and resume without a hiccup. You are dealing with statefulness without the heavy lifting. The agents remember what you did and come back from their short interludes with context intact. Durable functions can also do some pretty advanced things like checkpointing and resuming, which is like taking a selfie when things go wrong, patting yourself on the back, and going back into action without skipping a beat. For the enterprise-grade deployment, durable functions are not just a nice-to-have but essential, providing that extra oomph needed for handling business logic in complex scenarios. These are your keyhole solutions for long-running processes, giving you the ability to deploy at scale and tap into the Azure ecosystem with its vast arsenal of services. As you embrace durable functions, the wisdom of Azure best practices becomes clear. Think like a master chef, understand your process, define clear steps, leverage triggers and bindings elegantly, and always keep your code neat and tidy. Think about security with these processes in mind, setting guardrails to protect sensitive data and ensure only authenticated requests are in, so you are not leaving vulnerabilities as cookies in the ocean. Now, let's get to that best part, coding your first durable functions. It's as exciting as trying a new recipe for the first time. Write a function to kick things off. Use the client SDK to manage the workflow and orchestrate your durable tasks and agents. Keep it clean, handle exceptions gracefully, and always test thoroughly. Imagine the endless possibilities as you see your workflow emerge piece by piece. And how about troubleshooting? It's like a game of Sherlock with every hiccup or unexpected guest at the door inviting you to solve the mystery. With Azure Operations Manager, Log Analytics, and the Azure portal acting as your crime scene for investigation, you put your detective skills to work. Observe, diagnose, and take corrective actions to ensure your serverless symphony comes together flawlessly in front of an audience. As we wrap up this adventure, remember to not forget about those subscription plans. They're like the VIP backstage passes that ensure your functional masterpiece gets the star treatment it deserves. And now, I'm super excited to share more about working with complex workflows in the cloud, leveraging Microsoft Azure services at their zenith in my YouTube channel. Check out Technology Mavericks for the full scoop there. It's no less than an exclusive event at the Grand Ball of Tech Wizardry. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab for the latest and greatest in the high-tech world. And remember, durable functions are your ticket to crafting serverless wizardry for businesses of all sizes while keeping the charm and elegance unique to Azure at the heart of the performance. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep the conversation going.